Hey there, lovies. Have you been looking for a clean beauty brand that you can trust? Welcome to Urban Hydration. Why should you use our Nourish and Rehydrate Castor and Shea collection? This nutrient-packed collection naturally combats dryness while soothing and relieving thirsty skin, helping you to look and feel your best. Use regularly to help smooth and even skin tone for a natural, healthy glow. Let's start with our Nourish and Rehydrate Castor and Shea Face Wash. To use, wet face with lukewarm water. Add a pea-sized amount to fingertips and work into a lather. Massage into skin with a gentle circular motion. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. To complete your face wash routine and lock in that moisture barrier, follow up with our Nourish and Rehydrate Castor and Shea Daily Face Lotion. To use, apply a pea-sized drop to fingertips using upward strokes, work into face and neck, and moisturize and hydrate. Want added protection for your face lotion? Our Nourish and Rehydrate Castor and Shea Daily SPF 30 Face Lotion helps smooth and even skin tone while providing daily protection from environmental factors that increase signs of aging to keep you feeling healthy and youthful. To use, apply a pea-sized drop to fingertips. Using upward strokes, work into face and neck to moisturize and hydrate. Next, we have our Nourish and Rehydrate Castor and Shea Spot Cream, blended with olive, rosehip, and hemp seed oils. To use, cover your entire affected area with a thin layer of cream. Start application once daily, then gradually increase to 2 to 3 applications a day. For best results, apply to cleansed skin. Let our products work while you sleep. Nourish and Rehydrate Castor and Shea Night Cream is safe for nightly use on all skin types. To use, cover skin with a thin layer of cream before bed. For best results, apply to cleansed skin. Our Castor and Shea Mask is perfect for cleansing your skin's impurities while giving it the hydration it needs to look and feel its best. This exfoliating mask sloughs away dead skin cells and aids in diminishing the appearance of lines and wrinkles. To use, apply a thin layer mask to clean skin while using fingertips and avoiding eye area. Keep the mask on for 5 to 10 minutes or until dry. Gently peel the mask off. Need a lotion perfect for protecting you from the sun? Try our moisture locking Castor and Shea Daily SPF 30 Body Lotion, which takes our traditional body lotion formula one step further by adding sun protection. To use, apply to hands using upward strokes. Work into skin to moisturize and hydrate. Lock in moisture with our moisture locking Castor and Shea Body Lotion. Castor oil and shea butter provide lightweight yet nourishing hydration to dry skin and eczema-prone skin. A little goes a long way with this powerful combination. To use, apply into hands and work into skin. Need another reason to try Urban Hydration? This entire line is sulfate and paraben-free. The products include plant-based and natural ingredients without anything artificial so that you can feel good from the inside out.